I said here, Tadu, we came here to see how far you are via mindset, via football. So I'm glad to see you guys being here. It really puts a great joy in my heart to see. I'm out telling Ananani, we are putting more effort into football, you understand? Because believe me, I once been in your age, you understand? Yeah? Which position are you playing? Budala 6. Yeah, boy, score. To Shavi is the next Shavi, you understand? So, my friends, okay. Why we here is to understand what's the pattern, no what's in and is miscellaneous. I understand. If I may ask, my friends, why are you here? You understand? Because I know at your age, sometimes me just to run away from washing dishes. You understand? So, if I may ask, one of you can answer me. Why are you here? Sure. Who are you? Joshua. Why are you here? To build your career. Okay, but having to find someone who's at the age who wants to build this career, you see, it shows how serious you all are, because you are here, we are all a team, you understand? And another question, Buffett, what makes you want to be here? Who can answer that? Sure, Bani Kamalako. Bani? You can pay. Sure, why in again together? To build a better lifestyle. Sharing is under. So you understand? He's here to build his career. He's here to build a better lifestyle. You understand? So it really shows what my brother was saying. Football alone, if I have be one, football goes with the lifestyle that you are living. You understand? And another thing, as coaches here, I think me personally, I would go to gym because my uncle will tell me, I am you are great at football, go there, even though sometimes I didn't want to go. You understand? So if I may ask another question, who makes you want to be here? Who pushes you?
My father.
You are?
My father.
Your father. Okay, my favorite. Oh, another thing, if I ask, is it your father who tells you to play football, or you just want to play football?
I just want to play football.
So your father is a source of support to you. Okay, my favorite. That's wrong, my favorite. Understand? So another thing, my favorite, you need to be grateful for. Not forgetting, we are here because of the grace of God, my favorite. Understand? We need to remember, we must put God first in everything that we do. Understand? And our family, they take their time to support us to build our career, as he said, to build a better lifestyle. You couldn't come here if more than Cogs. You understand? How would you feel if ever Abanyaba Cogs or now Cogs? You would think you are not better. But remember, not everyone on Cogs doesn't mean we can go. We need to understand everything has its time. You understand? And another thing, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? Who can answer me then? Sure, buddy. Who are you? Okay, Mbappe. So it's in Mbappe there. Yeah. So where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? Yeah? In a field. So what I like about this answer, my friend, today, irregardless of time, but he still sees himself in the field. Meaning that he's determined with everything that he does. You understand? And not forgetting, as you said, your father is the one who pushes you to be here. Not forgetting that coach is only takes his time. He could be somewhere else, but he decided to come here to show you love. Remember, the first thing that he brought him here is because the love he has for you guys. You must never forget that. The love that he has for you is the one that's pushing him. And the love that you're giving him back makes him to keep coming back, my friend. You understand? So with that all said, my friend, we're still here. So I want to see with what you guys have. I want to see him building his career, their lifestyle, why your father brought you here, you being in the field, understand? So my friends, I think each and every time you come here, that's a way to a better life, my friends, you understand? So my friends, I will hand over to the coach, my friends, you understand? And see what you guys have to offer, my friends. And not forgetting to follow the Makoya, my friends, you understand? I think one day I want to see you being there on more content, Makoya, my friends, you understand? Because our aim is to push youngsters, my friends. Because even I have my own story, but I won't share that story with you right now because Mangzo share story saying I was so I want to see what you have to offer. You understand? That's one thing that brought me here, to see you guys doing what you do best, my friends. You understand? And don't forget, don't be too hard on yourself. You understand? Each one day at a time. For as long as you put in effort, you're going somewhere. You understand? And remember, you have 365 days in a year. You understand? Not forgetting each and every day you put an effort is you building something different. You understand? Each and every day you go to training, you're becoming a better player. You understand, Abafethu? So we give each other respect, love, and care. So not forgetting we are all here as a team, Bafethu. Now I'm part of your team, Bafethu. You understand? Yeah, so Bafethu, thank you, Bafethu. Yeah, let's go to